Final walkthrough mistakes that could cost you thousands. Your final walkthrough is not just a quick viewing of the property prior to closing. It's the last chance to catch a problem before it becomes your problem. Most buyers think the final walkthrough before closing is just a formality. Walk through the house, make sure it looks good, and then we're done. That's the mindset, and that's how buyers get burned. I'm Heather Upton with the Real Estate Pros, and we help buyers navigate every step of the home buying process, especially the ones that you can get wrong and cost you a lot of money. Today, I'm breaking down what a final walkthrough is, what you should be looking for before you go to the closing table, what it actually is. It is not another inspection, it's a verification. You are confirming the repairs have been made, it's in the same condition or better, and nothing has changed since the day you went under contract to purchase that home. What you should be checking at your final walkthrough. Listen up, pay attention. Here's what you should be paying attention to. Were the repairs done that were agreed to in the transaction? Are all the appliances still there and in working order? Is the home in the same condition or better than when you wrote the offer? Has anything been removed that should not be? Because yes, this does happen. And here's where buyers can go wrong. They're so excited about closing day that they rush through their final walkthrough. They don't test anything, for instance, the appliances, and they just assume everything is fine. I mean, it's closing day. Everything is great, right? They wait until after closing to say something. And here's the reality. Once it's closed, it's yours, and negotiating is done. All the problems included. We've seen this happen many a times. Home inspection, buyer and sellers agree to make certain repairs, and you get there on closing day through final walkthrough, and the repairs are not done. Appliances removed. That super awesome refrigerator that they bought and they don't want to part with, they decide to take it with them. However, they forgot in the purchase agreement, it clearly states the buyer gets to keep the refrigerator. Damage during the move out. Look for holes in the wall, scratches, doors that maybe broke the frames due to moving large items out of the house. And sometimes when this happens, the homes are left in worse condition than they were when you viewed it and made your offer. If you don't catch it before closing, you will lose your leverage. What do you do if something is wrong? Do not ignore it. You do have options. You can delay closing, request repairs or credits to offset those repairs, renegotiate. But once you sign, that window closes. Here's my advice to every buyer. Take your time, check to make sure everything is functioning properly, and ask questions. This is your last line of defense. And if you want more real estate advice that protects you, not just gets you to the closing table, follow along. Because in this process, every detail matters.